Hi there, my name is Kristie, and in this video I want to show you a niche or a topic that you may or may not know exists, and it's been very profitable for me. So let's talk about that. So one night I was actually on my phone, just laying in bed, scrolling away through Pinterest, thinking I had seen bloggers say how I made this much money each month. And I thought, well, you know what? I have a blog, but I wasn't really into blogging. And then I kept going and going through Pinterest. And I started a board, and I started saving all of these income producing pins. You know, how I made 100, how I made 1,000, how I made 20,000. And then I found someone who had made over $1 million making printables. And I'm like, what? Really? Why am I not doing this? Okay, and so here, long story short, I am not a graphic artist. I can put together things that look pretty with the help of graphic software, but I've never been able to draw. So I thought, man, I'm not an artist. I can't do this. I was wrong. If you're thinking the same thing, forget it. You don't have to be able to draw to either create printables and planners, or here's what I found out. I could promote other people's stuff. What is that called? Affiliate marketing. That's what it's called. I could promote other people's stuff, but how am I going to do this? The first thing I learned is I had to have something free to give away. Okay, here is an example right here. Look at this, free commercial use printables. I have a very similar form. So first of all, you have to have an autoresponder. So set up, an account. I have Aweber. I love it. So I set up Aweber, and every day I email my list. Where did that list come from? Mostly right here in Pinterest, because of a form very similar to this. I give away freebies, and you might think, I don't have any freebies. I got you covered. I got you covered, because I've been doing this since 2013, but I've only been in the printable planner niche since December 2019, and 2020 was my best year ever when I found printables and planners. It's now 2024, and I still do affiliate marketing for printables and planners, and I've ventured out. Now I have my own shop, okay, and I can help you with that. You don't have to look around the internet for printables and planners. So let me tell you what I'm talking about. So first of all, you would make a pin. That pin would link to a form that's called an autoresponder. And then you would have something free to give away. Okay. So if you want to start with something free to give away, let me show you on my, this is my Shopify store. I have this amazing, beautiful, let me pull this down. 2024 planner. It's a digital planner. It's super cute. Digital planners are all the craze. So if you were to buy this, and it has PLR rights, meaning you can resell it. You can resell it to your customers. Okay? Super cute. Resell it. Okay? Now, here's another thing. I also have for you, here's another opportunity that you don't want to miss. I have this monthly club. It's a monthly club, and in this club you get 5 new printables and planners every month, every single month. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so all this is housed inside of my community right here, and let's go into my courses, and I'll show you what is in here. Now remember, you can have something to sell, your own digital downloadable product, or you can become an affiliate for other people's products. Okay, and if you're interested in that, I have a full-blown video course called Affiliate Pinning Success, and I've been doing affiliate pinning. And affiliate, you don't have to just pin on Pinterest. You can also take these pins and you can put them on Instagram, and you can put them on YouTube. Okay, so here's an example. You get 5 new, and I give you some videos on how to sell them, or where to sell them if you want to sell them. But every month, and this started in 2022 and we're in 2024 January when I'm recording this. And so the first thing you do is you get done for you Canva video pins, and let me show you what those look like. And I create these brand new every month, and you can use them on Instagram, you can use them on YouTube, you can use them on TikTok, you can use them on Pinterest for sure. Okay, that's where you get those every month, so you already have the marketing tools done for you. So you need something to give away to build your audience, to build your subscriber list, and then in your first email you say, here it is. Okay, so if you get into this pinning club even just for 1 month, it's right now, I don't want to say the price, but it's super inexpensive. It's super inexpensive to join. Okay, and you can just have all these marketing materials. Imagine that you had all these pins already done for you, plus you get free printables and planners every month. You get 5 of those, plus 10 videos that you can put on YouTube. You can put them on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and that way you can advertise your freebie to build your audience. And then every day you send them an email. Hi, how are you today? I just thought you might want to see my new printable. And then you can either link to your own store, like a stand store, or you can link out to someone else's shop that sells printables and planners with your affiliate link. Now, if you want to hear more about that, I have a full-blown video course, and you can watch that video. Just go watch the video. I'll put that link below this video, and you can see how I do this every day. It's like a recipe. You need your freebie, you need your form, and you need an email company to send it out to your customers every day. And really, that's all you need. That is all you need. And if you do it consistently, you will have an online business that you can grow. Okay, so let me show you some results of me doing this. Okay, so these are my own personal results of doing this, what I've just described to you. I get these kind of emails all the time, and I love it. A lot of times daily, certainly weekly, unless I'm promoting my own products. So in this one dashboard, I've made a lot of commissions with printables, planners, Canva templates, and these were other people's products. So if you're like me, when I first started, I had no clue how to set all this up. So all you need really is just one form and a freebie to give away, which you'll get in the course. And then you just start emailing your list every single day. So if you want to learn more about this, just go invest in yourself. Plus, I give you all of these bonuses. These are the ones that have brought me in a lot of affiliate income. Plus, I give you the pins matched to the affiliate links. And then I give you this Canva to-do, pins to do, which people love. And then I give you case studies and emails that I wrote that brought me in some of these sales to help you get started quicker. So I hope that helps.